little adventure through the forest. It's like forest nature schooling. So I just wanted to share. It'll just be like a few clips of us walking around. I'm feeling a little drop, so it might rain soon. But this is our first time here and we love it so far. It's so cool. And apparently there's a waterfall here, so we're gonna try to find it. Wow, looks like I spoke just in time because apparently we did find the waterfall. And it's up here somewhere. Oh, here it is. People are over there. Cool. Small little cute waterfall. There's some stairs. Roby says up the mountain. Gotta be careful here. Here, Beans, just stay right here. Bean, hold on. Hi. Looks like we found a little ladybug. Cool. Yeah, you made it. There's a chipmunk. I'm trying to get it. I don't see where it went now, but we're gonna go over here. Oops, zoomed in too much. Bye, waterfall. See you next time.
Mushrooms leave alone because sometimes the mushrooms can be poisonous.
Yeah, we found some mushrooms on this tree. They're pretty colorful. We gotta look them up later to see what kind they are. We don't know if they're poisonous or what. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, look at this tree. So funny.
Well, I mean, it's light. one. This one.
Little tiny bridge here.
Can you look up there?
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna go up these steps to who knows where.
Let's take a look up here. See what's up there. Watch your step. Be careful.
No railing.
Take your time. Watch where you're stepping. Might be able to see the top of the waterfall. Nice one, Bean. It's got red on it.
Bean's collecting acorns, and she has some leaves and rocks in this bag here.
What's that bee? Papa. Yeah. In the back.
Oh, there goes a chipmunk. I don't think I'm getting it. Oh, there it is.
What's that?
I think it's got its mouth is stuffed with acorns.
Red too.
Cool.
Has spots on it.
Cool.
Oh my god.
Okay. More steps. Okay, the waterfall's somewhere over there. We don't know where. All right. Well, I guess we'll just... Do we go up here?
I don't know how long this is.
Pretty. Very pretty. Okay.
Okay, man. That's it.
Pretty.
I got some.
Berries. Okay.
Look, I'm still green.
More of those. And a bee.
I don't want to make these steps so high.
Okay, we're going down the steps. Almost looks like the ruins of a castle. I just got bit up on my leg, but thankfully I had this in my bag because sometimes we go to a different park and they have a lot of bugs there. But I usually just keep it in the car, but I didn't even realize I had it in my bag, so I just sprayed some on. We're trying to find our way out of here. Hopefully we can get out. It's like a maze. No signs, it's just trails. You guys hear that sound? Wallace saying it sounds like a monkey. Her and Roby, they think it's a monkey. It's a bird. We gotta do like a bird study on like the different calls and stuff. Oh, there's a little red arrow pointing this way, so maybe this is the way out. I used to spend my summers in Mississippi, so being in this forest is reminding me of that because my family lives in the country, so it's just reminding me of being down there. No, we came from this way. Yeah. Okay, we're not lost. I thought we were gonna be lost. Yeah, up this way. Here goes a tiny little path. Do we dare go through it? I don't know. Okay, let's go through it a little bit and then turn around. Is that y'all or something? Hearing things. Hearing things.
Sounds like this.
Oh, that's a bird. It's dark over here, but it looks really pretty. Okay, on camera it's looking bright, but in reality it's looking a little dark. So we won't go too far. Look at these berries. No, let's leave the berries. I don't know what kind of berry that is. So we made it to the end of the trail, back to basically the beginning, and we didn't even cover like the whole thing. It's really big. We barely like went anywhere. So we got to come back. Maybe we'll have on little nature boots, little hiking boots, get our sticks and stuff. But I definitely want to do more like nature schooling, or at least, you know, just getting out into actual like nature and doing, hopefully I'll find like a homeschool nature group that I can join. Or, you know, I can come here with them. I do have like a nature curriculum and stuff. But anyway, we had fun. Now we're going. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more adventures. Bye.